CPU, Central Processing Unit. What is a CPU? The CPU is the brain of a computer, containing all the circuitry needed to process input, store data, and output results. Features of CPU. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results and instructions program. It controls the operation of all parts of computer. What is the function of the CPU? The CPU processes the instructions it receives from input devices and gives the required output using output devices. CPU has 4 basic functions to perform a task. Fetch. Fetch instructions from the memory. Decode. Decode into binary instructions. Execute. Execute action and move to the next step. Store. Write output to memory. Components of CPU. Arithmetic and Logical Unit, ALU. Control Unit CU. Memory registers. Arithmetic and Logical Unit, ALU. Perform all mathematical and logical functions. Control Unit CU. Controls all devices of a computer system. Memory registers. Temporarily stores data needed for the function of ALU and the information produced by ALU. Thank you for watching. Please be kind enough to like the video. Subscribe ICT Basics channel to learn more.